folks. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yes, that's right, $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity, folks. If you are interested, click that first link in the description below, and you will get to Fergal Dams, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. Grab it, and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. And bonus number 2, the second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. Bonus number 3, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is the crucial thing, folks. It's a reoccurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And bonus number 4 will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website. And then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now let's get back to our review. The creator of this product is Alex Genenduk. And now he's a 20-time Udemy bestseller instructor with over 10 years of entrepreneurship and SEO and marketing experience. He has coached over 1,000 entrepreneurs and is a 3-time best-selling Amazon author. Now, in a nutshell, Sales Copying and ChatGPT is a 17-module, 55-video training course created by Alex Genenduk that has been taught to over 1,200 students on Udemy with a 4.6 overall customer rating. And it is now being offered to you with PLR and a steep discount for a limited time only. Now, there are 5 things you should know about this product. Your PLR license allows you to leverage the expertise of an accomplished trainer. Number 2, you have your own flagship training course. And number 3, you don't have to worry about this course becoming outdated. It's an evergreen course. And number 4, you can use the course to help new entrepreneurs learn practical foundational principles of copywriting and how to use ChatGPT to accomplish some of it. And here's the kicker. Number 5, you receive a 5-part bonus, which includes a 92-minute video session covering 14 types of content creation using AI. It also includes a prompts cheat sheet, a workbook, AI tool guide, and a resources guide. Now, in this course, there are 55 videos, all in HD format. There are 17 modules, and each module covers a whole host of things. But each module is about a few minutes long. It's not that long to digest. So Module 1 is a course introduction. Module 2 is emotions and buying decisions, where there's only one lesson. Module 3 is main principles of sales copywriting, which is 2 lessons. Module 4 is starting to practice sales copywriting, and that includes 8 lessons. Module 5 is an emotional words that trigger emotional responses. That's 3 lessons. Module 6, improve your sales copywriting, which is 6 lessons, and so on. So each module has is either a 1 lesson or anywhere from 2 to 6 or 8 lessons. Now, there is a demo video at the end of this review, so I invite you to watch it. And what it does is talk about a little bit about what goes into Module 3. The sales funnel looks like this. There's a front end, which includes the sales copywriting and the ChatGPT and the bonuses that we talked about for $19.75. Now, this will increase after the launch is ended. There are 6 OTOs. First one is about entrepreneurship and how to start your business for $41.75. The second OTO is related to kids, and it is about Kidpreneur Kickstart for $14.25. OTO 3 deals with procrastination and how to reverse it. OTO 4 relates to customer service, support, and experience, and that's for $16.75. And OTO 5 is improve your video production in 1 day, which is $14.25. And OTO 6 is a no-writing book writing for $14.25. Now, each of those OTOs will increase after the launch. Now, you should also watch for the downsells, because you'll save some money, but you'll get less product or a different product. So if you need to know more, click the second link below and get the full story. But don't forget to watch the video at the end of this review. And yes, before I go, check out how to learn or earn $10,000 a month in the first link below, and my 4 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and then pocket the difference, and they show you how to gain recurring income online easily, and they show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and see you next time.
In this video, I want to give you some of the most fundamental terms and principles to use in all your sales copywriting. And in this video, we'll see how it's applied to your social media posts, but it's not limited to that. You can and should use these principles in all your sales and marketing copywriting, depending as to what your situation calls for. So let's start with common mistakes that first-time marketers make. What do? Their headlines are usually like, watch this video, or read my post, or buy something, or sometimes there's no accompanying text at all, right? You just post a link and expect people to go there. Maybe the link has a thumbnail that Facebook pulls from it, so the thumbnail is a little bit interesting, but there's no copywriting. You're not compelling people to go and visit your post. So naturally, these get relatively low engagement. Now, let me introduce you to very basic sales copywriting that you can do on your own with every post. They just include the use of certain concepts. So here are 13 different copywriting improvements you can immediately apply to your posts to make them more engaging. And by the way, I'll have this as a downloadable resource available in the resources section of this video. So first and foremost, benefits, not features. That just means Well, what's the benefit? What do people get out of it? Do they lose weight? Do they look better? Are they happier? Are they going to laugh? Are they going to learn something? Benefits are typically things people want. Features are typically boring things like make an account, fill out this survey, or something like that. Nobody wants to do those things. So focus on the things people get that they want, and your post will immediately be better. And I'll have examples of this in this video shortly, so you'll be able to actually see what I'm talking about. The second thing is the use of the word you. That speaks directly to people, and they are much more likely to take interest. You is the number one most powerful word in copywriting. Name dropping and authority dropping, point number 3. You don't have to name drop tastelessly, but you can use, here's a Harvard University study. Harvard, that's a strong and authoritative name drop. Then things like numbers, percentages, those things just make your headlines look a little more interesting. They break up the monotony of just text, and eyes tend to go towards numbers and percentages, and they tend to make more interesting headlines. Then you have things like time. When is the person going to get this benefit? Are they going to lose weight in a year or in 30 days? Obviously, in 30 days, it's much more interesting. Then you want to use emotion-evoking words and topics. Love, hate, or names of certain politicians immediately make people emotional. When people are emotional, they take interest. Same thing with hot topics or news topics. Things that are in the news tend to get a little more interest. Or seasonal topical things like if Valentine's Day is coming up, well, post your Valentine's post or something like that. Also, number 9, ease. Make it easy for people. Like, here's the easy ways to lose weight. Nobody wants hard ways to lose weight, right? People want fast, easy, soon, things like this. Then promise of success, like lose weight in 30 days. That's exactly that classic model. Like achieve something, get some benefit. That's really closely related to point number 1. Get that benefit. And for number 11, always have your audience in mind, not what you want. I know you want them to click on your post, to buy whatever you're selling, to read whatever you're writing, but really it's for the audience. So frame it in what's in it for them. And for number 12, always try to find which content is maybe new and different. And number 13 is very related. If there's anything unique, then definitely lead with that, because everybody is so desensitized to everything because everybody has seen everything. So if you can find some new approach, some new tactic, new anything, newness and uniqueness immediately sparks curiosity, which is exactly what you want. So these are some of the core copywriting principles. And in the next video, let's explore some examples of how to use them in our social media or product headlines.